Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here. Welcome. And if you are new here, just go ahead and smash the subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of this nation. So I am doing something new and it's featuring the Queen's Ink shop. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, guys. So I did have this package just arrived by FedEx, and so we're gonna see what's in this package here. Oh, so this is the one I was most excited about. This here. Okay, there we have it. Take it out of this. So these are some new tubes that I have customized. Okay, focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. So gorgeous. These are the very thick tubes that I'm just like crazy about. So I got them in that cream color. It's a lot, you guys. It is a lot. Because this is a big box, as you can see. And we have them in white. Amazing. Lovely. That's a 6.5 on it there. Okay. So a few more tubes to consider. I really like this also. Nice. It's a nice also. We have some tubes also. Okay, I don't know how those work. Maybe the thing is stuck in there. We have a full stack of tubes going on right here. Get ready. I don't know if I told you guys that I rebranded. So this is a new item that I am introducing to my shop. Yes, these are body butters and they smell amazing. They leave your skin like pillow soft. And I am so excited about this new product that I am adding to the shop. And I hope you guys are really supportive of this product. And it will be listing this coming Monday, I think, which will be the 19th or the 20th. Yeah, I will have more information if you check out my Instagram pages about the arrival of these new products. It's going to be a few other products also, but as I list them, I will do a little demonstration here on my YouTube channel with them. But yeah, like I said, I'm really excited about this product, and we will be doing like a lot of different scents, or you know what I mean, with them. Like right now I am gonna be listing the lavender, the Kiss the Rainbow, and just the plain white old creamy souffle body butter. So it's gonna be really exciting, so I don't want you guys to miss out on any of this. So stay tuned and keep in tune on what's going on with our shop, okay? So I'm just doing a few samples with the plain souffle, and I have a few of the rainbow colors that I also will be doing a few samples of, as you can see right here. Mind you guys, this is my very first time doing this, and I think I did excellent for it being like my first time. So it's gonna get better and better and better. We're gonna have more colors, more flavors, and we're just gonna have everything that will suit your entire needs, okay? So here's an example of the Kiss the Rainbow. I'm just doing a few examples, so when I start like doing a massive filling of all of the containers, that I will have this completely down packed. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just doing some little demonstrations right here and there, and there will be like some free little samples as I introduce these body butters. I will also announce that yeah, while the supplies last, like maybe for the first 20 or so, like that, persons that purchase. So you can look up for that also. Yeah, so here are these two. Aren't they lovely? Well, the camera is not really giving the colors justice, because the colors are amazing. They're really brighter than this, but yeah. But when I do some of the photo shootings, then you'll get to see the true colors of them and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the white that I'm doing another one with. And this smells amazing, guys. This is amazing. I didn't plan to do too much talking in this video. I just wanted to be filling the containers with the body butters. And right there you saw I added some 24 karat gold dust on that one. Yes, and I think I sprinkled the Kiss the Rainbow with the chrome silver, like fine glitter for your body. Yes, so that's amazing. Here I have a mixture of lip gloss also, and this is more like a metallic, like has like hues going through it. It's clear, it smells amazing. You can pair all of these with your body butters also. I missed the footage of me actually missing it, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I fill the 6.5 ml tubes with this gloss. Look at this. This is amazing, guys. This is moisturizing, hydrating. It's not sticky. It smells amazing, and this will be your lips best friend. So don't miss out on these also. So this coming Monday, everything will be up on the site. So another thing I wanted to mention about these clear glosses is that you can pair it also with your matte lip liquids or any matte lip products that you have. And really and truly, I didn't want to do this much talking in this video, so let's just go ahead and fill up these tubes. So yeah, I think I am just loving these glosses. The colors came out amazing. So don't forget to go and get yours. So we've come to the end of this video, and here are the tubes that I was filling. So they are super cute, adorable, and yeah, you guys can go and check them out. And if you have not already done so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and turn on the notification. Bye bye, loves.